It's true what they say. There are no shortcuts in life. But thankfully, there are quite a few in Excel. It makes our life much easier. Presenting Business Gurukul. Learn business tips and tools on the go. How to apply automated sum. You already may know how to apply the sum function, but you can automatically select the column or row or just guesses the range that you may want to sum, and by pressing on Alt and equal to. How to add timestamp. Select the cell you want to place the timestamp in, and for date, press on Ctrl and semicolon. For time, press on Ctrl and colon. Isn't it easy? For more easy tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel. FundNow, empowering business transformation. Log on to www.fundnow.co.in. Tarakki fast forward.